To practice, find the practice file named Assembly Shaft.
You can import the file or drag and drop it into the viewport.
Okay, notice this. Do you see it's misaligned?
As I explained in previous lessons, whether you choose the top, right, or front view, you can see it's misaligned with the coordinate system.
The part is not perpendicular to the 3 planes, it's skewed.
For this part, the fastest way to bring it to the standard coordinate origin is to use the automatic alignment method. In previous lessons, I showed you how to manually align the part to the origin.
Why use manual alignment? When is it necessary? When the automatic method fails to align the object straight and perpendicular to the coordinates, and the X and Y axes don't align as desired. That's why manual alignment becomes mandatory. For this part, I will try the automatic method first to see how it works.
Step 1. Go to the Alignment tab. Step 2. Select Align Wizard. Click the arrow here and click OK. The object is now aligned to the origin. You can press Alt-1, Alt-2, or Alt-3 to check if the object is at the origin and perpendicular to the 3 planes.
Okay, the object is now perpendicular and parallel to the standard planes. It is no longer misaligned.
So I don't need to use the manual method anymore.
Hovering the mouse over the object displays cylinder. I can perfectly use either the extrude or revolve command here.
I will use the revolve command. The prerequisite for revolve is that the plane must intersect the exact center of the part.
I'll press Alt-1, Alt-2, and Alt-3 to verify if this plane is positioned exactly at the center. Okay, visually we can see the plane is exactly at the center of the object. However, don't rely solely on visual checks, as there is no geometric proof that it's truly centered. To be absolutely certain, I will create an axis at the center of the object. I'll go to the Model tab, select Vector. Click on the cylinder object, select Find Cylinder Axis, and then click OK. Now, the axis is guaranteed to be at the exact center of the cylinder. Next, I will select Plane, select the newly created axis, simultaneously select the center plane, and then click OK. This guarantees the newly created plane is exactly in the middle of the object. Now we can use the Revolve command. Right-click the newly created plane, select Mesh Sketch. This extracts the profile of the object. However, I want to capture the complete, fully encompassing projection. Therefore, I will drag this short, thick arrow to cover the entire mesh. Then click OK. You can click here to rotate the object for a better view if needed.